Namaskar, this is not Durdarshan reading out the book review to you, Sampurna Ghosh. Before we dive into the book review, here are some highlights from India. Dead bodies are floating in Ganges, whereas our ministers are saying Sab Changasi. There is enough oxygen for everyone, but there is not enough oxygen for the patients in ICUs in many hospitals. But I can't raise my voice because मुझे जेल नहीं जाना है. अगर आवाज़ उठाई तो बोलेंगे एंटी नेशनल है, JNU भेज दो. पर मुझे JNU भी नहीं जाना है बिकॉज मैं ओइशी घोष तो हूँ नहीं, मुझे CPM टिकट देगा नहीं. सो मैं बुक रिव्यू कर रही हूँ. ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि बहुतों को सेकेंड डोज ऑफ वैक्सीन मिलने वाला है, पर लोग दो वैक्सीन लेके भी कोविड का शिकार हो रहे हैं. सैनिटाइजर्स दुकान के शेल्फ से जा रहे हैं. लोगों को रामडेसिविर जैसे दवाइयों की कमी हो रही है. बांग्लादेश जैसे देशों ने भी हम लोगों को रामडेसिविर जैसा इम्पॉर्टेंट मेडिसिन दान में दिया है. तो थैंक यू मेरे बांग्लादेशी भाइयों एंड बहनों. No, that does not make me a Bangladeshi. I'm just thanking them because they're helping me out, helping my country out. Well, diving in today's book review. Today I am going to review Anita Desai's The Artist of Disappearance. Anita Desai is a celebrated Indian author. This is the first book I read by her. This year I decided that I will read one new author every month, and for the month of January I chose Anita Desai. I know this is me. What took me so long? Actually, I completed reading it in February, but I didn't have time to shoot the videos because I was very depressed due to Corona, because I am stuck indoors. And keeping that aside, Anita Desai has grabbed my attention since my school days. In my school library had a Anita Desai short story collection which I wanted to read. I even borrowed that, but I didn't. So this is my atonement. Can I use atonement? Please mention in the comments below. So this book, The Artist of Disappearance, is a collection of 3 novellas. First novella is called Let Me Check and Let Me Be Sure. The Museum of Final Journey. I am going to say last journey, sorry, it's final journey. So it is about a young IAS officer posted in rural India having hard time with his discovery having hard time who discovers this museum, and how the museum came to existence is the essence of the story. You know, the young IAS officer was troubled by mosquitoes in a rural village. That's like every day I am applying roll-on all over my room just to keep the mosquitoes away. Update from IAS, it is said that the CSE एग्ज़ाम, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कॉमन एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट, नहीं, सिविल सर्विसेज एग्ज़ाम is going to be postponed from 27 June to where I don't know, but all the best kids. The second story is called Translated, which is about a middle-aged college professor by the name Prema. She is an English professor, and her problem is that she is very frustrated. Like, she is not going through midlife crisis because, believe me, professors are not human. They can't go through midlife crisis. And during her PhD days, she learned Oriya, and now she spends her leisure time translating her favorite Oriya author Shubhana Devi into English, in which she takes her novels and make them her own. So that's human nature. This story is full of insecurities, and at times I was really able to connect with Prema. The third story is about a boy who has disappeared in plain sight. It is all about balance. Life is all about balance. So this child has been disappearing in plain sight since his birth, and as he grow up, he masters the art, and now he is living in the mountains and building the ecological balances. It The story also have three young journalists. One of them is Chand, who are opportunists who come to the hillside to shoot about the pollution and the ecological disturbance, but they're opportunists like everyone else. So they do what they are good at, and I will be posting some clips from here, there. I don't know how it will end, but if you like this video, please like. You don't need to subscribe because I am not that frequent, but I am trying to be frequent, and I will bring more videos. Till then, stay connected, stay home, and if your chance come, please get vaccinated. I Till then, bye. Hello guys, I am back again because I accidentally deleted this part of the video. So here are some honorable mention. The characters in this book are goody people, like they are not evil, and we see them around us. And the leads, the protagonists of first and the last novella, are anonymous. We know people like them around us, so it's very relatable. Prema is a mean professor, but we all have faced such professors in our life, so we can relate to even that. So, some professors are good too. I'm not saying that all professors are mean, but we know that one professor in the college was very mean to us. I rate this book 4 out of 5 stars. There is nothing wrong with this book. I could not find anything wrong with this book, but still I am rating 4 stars. Anita Desai is a very good writer, and we should read more of her stories. Thank you.